Okay. You have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So you have... Alright. So you have the Ace of Pentacles. You have the Five of Swords. And you have the Three of Pentacles. Alright. So, unang lumabas sa'yo, si Ace of Pentacles is about new beginning, new opportunities, new abundance, no? Coming your way. But, meron mga sneakiness, no? Na nangyayari, no? Pero ika-clarify pa natin ito. Merong umiiyak doon, merong taong sad doon, at tingnan natin kung ikaw, energy mo to or energy ng ibang tao. And, for March 2026 and the whole 2026, dahil papasok si Saturn sa bahay ni Aries, so mas malakas ang energy mo pagdating sa pagti-teamwork or para sa mga communication na situation, no? So, magiging mas communicative ka during this period of time. So, let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles, no? Ano bang mga opportunities ang darating sa ating mga Gemini? For our Gemini, please. Okay, Ace of Pentacles for our Gemini. One more, please. Alright. So, you have the Ace of Swords, you have the Four of Swords, wow, and you have the Judgment. So, kay Page of Swords muna tayo, no? So, you have energy, and marami kang mga ideas. Curious ka, no? Curious ka. So, maaaring maka-experience ka ng mga complex as you go doon sa mga challenges or sa mga opportunities mo, but your ability to communicate, no? Ito yung skills, trust your intuition, and yung intuition mo yung mag-guide sa'yo along the way. So, ito ang sinasabi sa'yo ni Page of Swords. So, you have the Four of Swords as well. So, si Four of Swords as well is about recharging, no? Rest, pahinga din. Kailangan mo din mag-recharge at magpahinga, no? So, this is about refresh your mind with meditation. So, dahil meron kang papasok na or meron kang mga challenges na ikaw yung parang dadalhin ka sa posisyon na ikaw yung parang magpapakita ng iyong authenticity, yung katotohanan, no? So, sinasabi dito is yung mga decision mo required, no, ng blend ng intuition and intellect, no? So, you are experiencing and you may experience